So in my last video, I talked about how creating a video template would make your editing process a lot more simpler, and I got this comments from it. Now the comment was nice, but this doesn't explain how you did the color changing or any of the effects. Now I'm going to show you in today's video how you can be able to create your own templates from the beginning to the end. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. I'm Samuel Favor, and without further ado, let me show you how you can easily and quickly be able to make your own video template. First things first, when you open your CapCut editing software on your PC, it's actually very easy. It is blank, and this is the blank space. You will need to have a video that you want to work on. So let me say I import any random video. So I've had this video for a while. Let's say I've imported it into the space to edit. Now this is what the video looks like. If I play the video, this is what it looks like. Now first of all, in the video template, I have my captions, then the color grade, then I now have, maybe if I would have to add b-rolls, I can now add those ones later on, then my main page, then all the sound effects that I will be adding to the video. But yes, let us take it one step at a time, one after the other. So the first thing first is to add the text captions, which is the first thing on my own template. So you go to the text section. When you click on text, you go to auto caption, and when you click on auto caption, you'd have to generate your caption. Now this feature is not a pro feature on PC, but it's showing pro because I'm not connected to the internet. So I'll connect to the internet and show you. So I click on generate, and while I wait, the video gets to generate the audio, that is the audio caption or the auto caption for the video. Now that the auto caption is generated, we can see how the auto caption is like this. Depending on your style of auto captioning, I don't like my auto captions or my captions being below in my videos. So what I will do is I would come to the audio, the section where the caption is. I would put it at the center. Then I will go to the template, choose a template that I think is okay for me with whatever I'm doing. Let's just choose from any random template. Let's say I'll choose the first template. When I've chosen the first template, this template is what best suits me for whatever I'm doing. I adjust it. Let's say I adjust it to about this. When I play the video, the captions come up. So this is what I actually want for my captions. Then the second thing that was on my list of video editing templates was the color grading. Now to add your color grade, what you do is I go down to the adjustment layer, and I will add custom adjustment. When I click on custom adjustment, you will see that a panel comes out for the adjustment. Now just take note that this video you're already seeing here has been edited before. You get, I don't have a fresh video, but this video you're seeing here has been edited before. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the colors you want to add. That is, you're either going to color correct or color grade it to your own style, to your own liking. So to do this, I would still get to touch it a little bit. You come down, you see the basic, you see HSL. In this HSL, it has to deal with you touching all the colors specifically, one after the other: red, brown, or yellow, green, and the rest of the other colors. But mainly what you can just do is you can come to the basic colors, go down, you can add the warmth depending on the temperature or the color that best suits you. You say you want your video to be warm. I don't usually add to the tint, but okay, if you want to add to the tint, you can add to the tint. But just know that in this video you're seeing here, there was tint added to the pre-edited one, but I'm just giving you like a heads up. And then you can add to the exposure or reduce the exposure. I think I'll just okay, let me add it up here, add up a little bit, do the highlights. I usually take my highlights down, my shadows I take it down, and yep, brilliance, I bring it up a little bit. Or if you don't want to do all the settings, you can just go to the filter option and choose from one filter and just paste it on your video, and you don't need to do the whole color grading. And then I sharpen my video so that it comes out nice. I put my sharpen at around 15%, but the other ones I don't really do it. But if you would want to get the actual custom templates or numbers that I use for my videos, which is this video template that you're seeing now on the screen, you can just do out to type the word templates, or not templates, type the word color templates, and I'll send it directly to you. So when you're done with this, you know that you've completed the second version, which is the color grading. Now mainly you have the auto captions, you now have your color grade. The next things you can be able to add are your b-rolls. That is, if you have a lot of clips that are here, you can just be able to select and add your b-rolls and do the cutting of your videos and the rest of them. Now after doing your videos this way, you can now be able to add all the sounds you need. That is, all the sound effects that will be needed in your video. You get, that will be needed in your video. When you add them, okay, for me, I have a place like a template where I keep all my videos. So I just come to my editing pack. Mainly I just come to my editing pack and I go to YouTube copyright free songs. That is, if my free songs are here, or if you don't have free songs, or if you don't have custom sound that you use, you can just head over to CapCut itself, go to the audio section, and then the audios that you use the most, you can be able to add it, like chick pop that I usually use, camera shutter, whoosh, swish, and all the rest of them. You can just add it up to your setup. Let's say I add warm light, I load it up, I add warm lights, and you can see that basically these ones are free, so you can just add it up, adjust it to fit what you want, and as simple as that, you have made your own editing template. So whenever you want to edit your videos, what you just do is you remove the main video that you're editing. You have the presets of your caption already. What you do is you can be able to delete all these captions here and then generate a new caption from the beginning that will look exactly the same way this one was. Then you already have your color, like your color grade. Then for the text, you can be able to add any text that you want. Let's say from the text template, add something that really suits your fancy, and yeah, it's as easy as that. You have your color template, your editing template for YouTube videos. Easy peasy. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you understand this a whole lot much more than how it was explained in the first video. If this video was helpful, do well to give me a follow, subscribe to the channel, and yes, if you're in any African country, do well to use my promo code that is in the description to get an item from the ORAIMO store. I'll see you in my next video, and peace.